will barely see any videos on these because people want to hide what they're good at, and I want to share what I'm good at actually. So these secrets will really enhance your learning in cooking, and I know you guys will really like these secrets, and they will just make your cooking and bring them to a next level, and that's what I want my cooking to be all about. So I will be also telling you many more tips and tricks in my future videos, but today I'm going to be sharing 3 of the most important. Now, tip number 1. Salt and pepper is a lie. It is a lie, people. Don't you understand that? From all the taste buds that you have on your tongue, none of them, absolutely none of them, I can guarantee you, none of them are pepper. Some examples are sweet, salty, bitter, umami, but like I said, none of them, absolutely none of them are pepper. And make sure that instead of using salt and pepper, I'm going to give you an even better replacement, and that is vinegar. So stop saying salt and pepper and say salt and vinegar. It doesn't sound right, but like, you know, it will really bring an amazing taste to your food. So if you guys try this trick, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let's head on to trick number 2. Trick number 2 is don't be a pan shaker. Please do not be a pan shaker, because when you're shaking the pan while your meat is, for example, cooking, your meat won't have that tenderness and it won't be properly cooked and won't have that brown layer that you want on it. So, and you'll see the difference that once you stop shaking your pan and be a little more patient and calm, you'll see that you'll have that tenderness, juiciness, and it's fully cooked, and you also have that brown layer on top. Now, last trick, trick number 3. Trick number 3 is measure your quantities. Do not estimate your quantities. Always make sure that whatever you're baking or cooking, accurately follow the recipe that you're following. And an example that of not measuring your quantities is when you add too much baking powder to your cake. So when you add too much baking powder to cake, there are 2 things that will happen. Number 1, the batter will be too bitter, and you really don't want a bitter cake. Like, who wants that? And tip number 2 is that for measuring quantities is that it will just rise quickly when it's in the oven and then collapse. And you want your cakes to be fluffy and airy and light. So that's it for this video, and I really hope you like these tips and tricks. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and turn the bell icon on to know when I'm posting more videos. Go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Bye!